The United Health said that they grew to serve more people more comprehensively, but did not perform up to expectations, and they're aggressively addressing those challenges to return to their long-term earnings growth target of between 13 to 16%. And if they can return to that long-term growth target, even if it's like 10 to 13%, I think the stock will generate great returns for investors who buy at current prices. The big question mark remains if they can return to that growth rate. That's the big question mark. If they can return anywhere near that level of earnings per share growth, anything in the double digits or above, I think it'll deliver excellent returns for investors longer term. In cash flow from operations, a healthy $5.5 billion in the first quarter. Return on equity, a very strong 26.8% in the first quarter. Even amid all of those challenges, overall revenue increased from 101 billion in December 31st, 2024, up to 109.6 billion in the most recent quarter. When you compare year over year, the company's revenues grew by 9.8 billion or almost 10% from 99.8 billion up to 109.6 billion. So let me share with you my proprietary calculation, my discounted cash flow calculation for what I believe this stock is worth today. So I calculated an intrinsic value of United Health stock at $558. The current market price is now $261. So I still see this being a significantly undervalued stock. Now, when I go to fiscal.ai, which is my preferred data source, they save me so much time and I can pull up cool charts like this one for the forward price to earnings ratio. There's a link in the description for their service. You'll get a discount if you use my link. The stock looks relatively cheap according to this as well. It's trading at a forward price to earnings of 12.73. So while the results in the first part of 2025 have been disappointing for United Health Group, I think their long-term prospects remain intact, if not slightly lowered, right? They're talking about a 13 to 16% long-term earnings growth target. I'd be happy with the 10 to 13% long-term earnings growth from this company. I think that'll generate excellent returns to shareholders who buy at current market prices. To answer the question, do I think United Health Group stock is a buy on this dip here? I think so. I reiterated my buy recommendation for this company following its earnings results.
Click the link below to watch the full video.